Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a really special unboxing that I want to share with you all. I'm going to jump straight into this box, and this one is from the guys from All From One Supplier, and this box is called the green seasoning box. And in this box you're going to get all of your essential items that you need to make Trini or Caribbean green seasoning. So let me start opening up the packages that we have in here. So I don't know what's in what, so we're gonna, as we open it up, I'll see. So in this box you get 14 pimento peppers. In this pack we have 12 Jamaican hot peppers, also known as Scotch bonnet peppers. Guys, look at I can tell you the condition of the peppers, perfect, and they look really fresh. Even the pimento peppers, now I know these are green, but if you leave them on your counter they will ripen. So we have that. We have some chili peppers or bird peppers. So we get some green bird peppers, and there are a lot in this bag. The next item, the most important item for us, is the bandania or shadbeni or culantro or recao, now guy as it's called. So you guys can order and get your bandania now. You can get your bird pepper, you can get your pimento peppers, and you can get your Scotch bonnet pepper. So just gonna make sure that I emptied out everything. Oh wait, there's one more item. There is a bundle of Fine Thyme. So you guys see all what you're getting. You're going to get everything that you need, the necessities to make your Caribbean or Trini green seasoning. The only item we're missing in here is the scallions, also known as sife as we say in Trinidad. So you're going to use all of these ingredients that you find in this box. So we have the bandania, we have the hot peppers. Now you're not going to use all of your hot peppers, you can use one or half depending on how spicy you want your green seasoning. You have the bird peppers, we have the pimento peppers, and we have the fine thyme. And you want to store all of these in your refrigerator once you get them. If you don't cook with peppers often, you can freeze the pimento and the Scotch bonnet peppers so that you can have it at a future date to use. It freezes beautifully. So this box is $25 inclusive of shipping throughout the United States. So let me just set this aside, and I want to tell you guys really quickly, do not forget that All From One Supplier has these monthly preset boxes. At the end of this video I'll leave all of this information on the screen so you guys can have a better look at it. They have different gift boxes. They have their curry box, their meal box, the curry duck, curry goat, curry chicken, pastry box, snack boxes, you name it, they have it. So all of the information for all of these preset boxes, I'll leave a link in the description box to their website where you can check it out. Make sure and when you're on their website you hit the down arrow and look for preset boxes. So don't forget to check out the preset boxes that they ship throughout the United States. You can order doubles and have it shipped straight to the comfort of your home. And they also have upcoming 2022 excursions from Travel Span to Punta Cana, Cancun, Jamaica, Costa Rica, Australia, New Zealand, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Saudi Arabia, Europe, and so many more. So do check out Travel Span for all of your travel needs. So guys, go check out this green seasoning box. It's going to be shipped directly to your home anywhere in the United States. Shipping inclusive, as I said, is $25. And to get bandania, to get pimento peppers, to get Scotch bonnet, bird pepper, and thyme in the comfort of your home, all you have to add to this, guys, is scallions or sife, as I said. And that's it. You have your green seasoning package. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video or today's unboxing. Do comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.